Hey everyone, I'm here with a pivotal question that is asked most often in boards of Class 12 Business Studies: Importance of Consumer Protection. So, there are two headings in this, from consumers' point of view and from the point of view of businesses. So, first, I'm going to discuss that what is the importance of consumer protection from consumers' point of view. Widespread exploitation of consumers. Consumers might be exploited by unscrupulous, exploitative, and unfair trade practices like defective and unsafe products, adulteration, false and misleading advertising, hoarding, black marketing, etc. Consumers need protection against such malpractices of the sellers. So in this point we have been elucidated that जो भी consumers होते हैं they are exploited by all the unfair trade practices जो कि ये sellers हो गए हैं, manufacturers हो गए, ये इनको exploit करते हैं. Now what are the ways in which they are exploited? जैसे कि गलत एडवर्टाइजिंग करनी, मिक्सिंग करना इन द प्रोडक्ट, उसे अडल्टरेशन कहते हैं, अनसेफ प्रोडक्ट्स या फिर डिफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट को सेल करना. सो ऑल दीज आर द माल प्रैक्टिसेस जिससे कंज्यूमर्स एक्सप्लॉयट हो रहे हैं और इसी के लिए देयर इज़ अ नीड टू प्रोटेक्ट देम. नेक्स्ट, कंज्यूमर इग्नोरेंस. In the light of widespread ignorance of consumers about their rights and reliefs available to them, it becomes necessary to educate them about the same so as to achieve consumer awareness. A consumer who is well informed about his rights and reliefs available to him would be in a position to raise his voice against any unfair trade practices of sellers. Now, the consumers होते हैं, they are unaware. अब अनअवेयरनेस के कारण क्या होता है, दे डोंट नो कि क्या राइट्स एंड रिलीफ्स जो हैं दे आर अवेलेबल टू देम, जिससे वो कोई भी फाइल केस कर सकते हैं अगेंस्ट द अनफेयर ट्रेड प्रैक्टिस ऑफ द सेलर. सो इट्स इम्पेरेटिव हेयर कि जो कंज्यूमर है वो अवेयर हो, उसे पता हो कि क्या राइट्स हैं उसके और क्या वो कर सकता है इन केस उस एक्सप्लॉयटेशन फेस करनी पड़े. नेक्स्ट इज़ अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड कंज्यूमर्स. Consumers need to be organized in the form of consumer organization which would take care of their interests. Consumer organization play an important role in educating consumers about their rights and providing protection to them. These organizations can force business firms to avoid malpractices and exploitation of consumers. अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड कंज्यूमर्स में बेसिकली ये कह रहे हैं कि कंज्यूमर्स को ऑर्गेनाइज होना चाहिए, यूनियंस फॉर्म करने चाहिए, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस फॉर्म करने चाहिए जिससे उनका इंटरेस्ट जो है वो प्रोटेक्ट होगा. अगर इट हैपन्स कि ऑल एट वंस उन सबके ही इंटरेस्ट जो हैं वो सेम हों, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर बहुत सारे कंज्यूमर्स एक सेलर के द्वारा माल प्रैक्टिस फेस कर चुके हैं तो वो सब इकट्ठे मिलके एक कोर्ट में जाके, जो कि हमारे अभी आगे 3 रिड्रेसल एजेंसीज डिस्कस करेंगे चैप्टर में, वहाँ पे जाकर केस कर सकते हैं. सो इसीलिए कंज्यूमर्स को एजुकेट करना है कि वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस फॉर्म करें एंड प्रोटेक्ट करें अपने इंटरेस्ट को. Now next I'm going to discuss the point of view of business, that why we need to protect consumers. So the very first point is business uses society's resources. As we all know that जो businesses होते हैं societies के resources use करते हैं वो. So it's in their interest and it's their responsibility that they supply goods and services to the public which are in their interest. Next is social responsibility. In social responsibility, we have been told that a business has social responsibilities towards various interest groups. Business organizations make money by selling goods and providing services to consumers. Thus, consumers from an important group among the many stakeholders of business, and like other stakeholders, their interest has to be well taken care of. सो बेसिकली यहाँ ये कहा गया है कि जो बिज़नेस है उसकी एक ये मोरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है टूवर्ड्स इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप्स. अब इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप्स कौन हो सकते हैं? कस्टमर्स हो सकते हैं जो कि कंज्यूमर्स ही हैं हमारे, राइट. सो इनको जो है एक्सप्लॉयट करना बिल्कुल भी राइट नहीं है एंड दे हैव टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड अगेंस्ट एनी फॉर्म ऑफ अनफेयर ट्रेड प्रैक्टिस. नेक्स्ट इज़ मोरल जस्टिफिकेशन. It is the moral duty of any business to take care of consumers' interest and avoid any form of exploitation. A business must avoid unscrupulous, exploitative, and unfair trade practice like defective and unsafe product, adulteration, false and misleading advertising, hoarding, black marketing, etc. Now, again, we have been told the means by which these business firms exploit consumers, like adulteration, misleading advertising, as I told you before as well. So, it necessitates the business to have a moral duty towards these customers who can take care of their interest by repeat sales and purchasing more and adding to the prospects of the business. Long term interest of business. Enlightened business firms realize that it's in their long term interest to serve and satisfy the customers. Satisfied customers are not leading to repeat sales but also provide good feedback to prospective customers and thus help in increasing the customer base of business. Business firms should aim at long term profit maximization through customer satisfaction. Socially responsible firms follow ethical standards and practices in dealing with their customers. So now here it's explained that जो एनलाइटन बिजनेस फर्म्स होती हैं मीन्स जो जानी मानी होती हैं बिजनेस फर्म्स रेनाउंड होती हैं जो वो इसीलिए ही रेनाउंड होती हैं क्योंकि वो पब्लिक का ध्यान रखती हैं, ठीक है, एनवायरनमेंट का ध्यान रखती हैं. नाउ हाउ डू दे डू सो? वो क्वालिटेटिव एंड लो प्राइस्ड गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज अवेलेबल करवाती है कस्टमर्स को जिससे उनकी रिपीट सेल्स होती है एंड इवन जो कस्टमर्स हैं दे गिव गुड फीडबैक. तो इससे क्या होता है? इट एड्स टू द प्रोस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द बिजनेस. Some businesses also follow the ethical and moral standards which are morally and socially accepted by the society, which adds to their profits. The last point here is government intervention. A business engaging in any form of exploitative trade practices would invite government intervention or action. This can impair and tarnish the image of the company. Therefore, business organizations should voluntarily resort to such practices when the customer's needs and interest will be taken care of. Here it's elucidated that जो भी businesses unfair trade practices में अपने आप को engage करती हैं जैसे कि adulteration हो गया, misleading advertising हो गया, black marketing हो गया, so they would invite government intervention because एक government जो है country की cannot halt on seeing a business exploiting its customers. So जब एक government intervene करती है company के daily work में, so इससे उस company की image ख़राब हो जाती है. तो बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कस्टमर्स का ध्यान रखना चाहिए सो दैट द गवर्नमेंट डजंट हैज़ टू इंटरवीन इन सच अ केस एंड दैट it increases the goodwill of the business. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, share and like and stay tuned for such videos, and I'll even share the most repeated and important questions that appear in both each year. Bye bye.